Hey guys, it's been a few days since I posted, and well, it's been a few days since I recorded. This is on my new channel, and this is the first recording that I am doing specifically for this channel. I have brought over a few videos from my other channel that are pertinent to this video channel, and it's only, let's see, today's Thursday, and we fly out on Saturday for our cruise on Sunday. And I am so excited. I only have last minute items to pack, which will be the camera. It's only my backpack, which will hold my camera, medication, and things like my iPad and my itinerary book and the passports, documents, things like that are needed to be carried on with me. Toiletries. So those will be the things that I pack today and Friday night, Saturday morning, right before we fly out. So I have already started gathering those things. In my camera bag, which is a little insert that I put into my bag, I will have my DSLR, my waterproof point and shoot, which is the camera that I'm actually using right now, which is an Olympus Tough camera, and my GoPro, and all the accoutrements that go with each of those cameras, which include multiple batteries, multiple cards for the cameras, and chargers. The other items that, and of course the cables for the chargers. The other things that will go in the bag for the flight will be iPad, the charger for the iPad, the charger for my phone. I wear an Apple Watch, so I'll put my Apple Watch charger in there as well. My medication, the book that I created, which I showed you in my first video that I brought over, which holds all of our documentation, and our passports, and any last minute items that go into like our toiletry kit, and which, you know, are just like toothbrushes, deodorant, hair gel, and then any last minute items that I have forgotten to pack that I can squeeze into my bag. We fly out Saturday morning, have a stay in Fort Lauderdale, which I suggest everybody do. You want to not be flying in on the same day as your embarkation. If you can avoid that, please try not to fly in the same day as your embarkation, because you never know what traffic, or if you get a flight delay, those things can really mess up your embarkation, and they will not hold the ship for you. So if you miss your ship, you miss your ship, and that would be disastrous for your vacation. So Sunday, they do the embarkation based off of your stateroom class, and our stateroom class is like the second group to embark, so we get a pretty early embarkation. So we'll be one of the first groups to get on the ship. We'll, you know, hand off our large suitcases to the valet and have them take that, and then we'll carry on our little carry-on and head up to our stateroom, drop that stuff off, grab a quick bite to eat, and probably just relax for a while. and I'll probably start vlogging immediately because I want to keep all this vlogging going for the entire week so that I can have some new videos when I get back for this channel. And I will be posting not during the actual cruise because I'm not doing any kind of a Wi-Fi internet package, but I will post videos when I get back. For those of you that haven't been watching my other videos or missed it, I am going on a chartered cruise, which is chartered by RSVP Vacations. It is a gay company. It's a sister company to Atlantis Cruises, if you know Atlantis Cruises. Atlantis Cruises does very large cruises. They did Harmony of the Seas, which is the largest ship out there right now. And we are on MS Koningsdam by Holland America, which is their largest Pinnacle class ship. Holds about 2,600 passengers, passenger guests, plus the crew. And it is a 7-day Caribbean cruise doing the Eastern Caribbean. So I'm excited because we did the Western Caribbean last year. And I will be vlogging the entire trip, so I am looking forward to getting back and editing videos for you guys to show you what we did. With that being said, I thank you guys. If you like this video, leave a comment, hit that like button, and let me know what other videos you want to see. Thanks.